people, so we are at the Grand Trunk Road and that is Ayush, and Anvika, show us around the place. Ayush, please, this is your, and that is just how it looks. We had a very nice satisfying journey. Oh, yes. Oh, this is this is like a water sump. They've built it to look like it's like a rustic restaurant in Punjab, and that's supposed to be like a truck. It looks so nice. Do you want to go closer to take a look?
Yep.
Oh, there's another restaurant here.
Subscribe. Okay, so basically you can see there's like a secret stair thing where the video recorder is climbing on that. And there's like lanterns, and there's like this humongous table which is even bigger than the Titanic boat.
Now that's a better recorder than the old one.
Oh no, me from truck.
This
It's
is
an
so interesting.
actual truck.
This is so interesting. Thank you, Anviko. This has been such a brilliant. So we are at Grand Trunk Road. What is your?
God, I'm so stupid.
Yeah,
It's okay, it's okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, this looks awesome.
He can help himself.
Yeah.
No, I was just taking